Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be doing my first Ulta haul of 2021. That is right, you guys, we are doing a huge Ulta haul today. It's the first one that I've done this entire year so far. It just became 2021, so I did not go to the store for this stuff. I actually got it online, but I put it in a bag just for the aesthetic purposes. As you can tell, the bag is very old. I think this was like winter 2 years ago or something. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you and click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun reels and posts over there. But let's get into this haul. So a lot of the stuff that I got from Ulta this time around was actually drugstore. So I'm gonna go through the things that are not drugstore and then we'll do the rest of it because most of it is actually drugstore. Drugstore's been popping off recently with the makeup products, so I'm super excited. The first couple of things here that I got that are not drugstore, I got a couple of the oh, I messed up. Dang it. Okay, so I thought these were the Kat Von D Vegan Beauty blushes. These don't say KVD Vegan Beauty, these just say Kat Von D. So I don't know, I thought that she wasn't part of this brand anymore. Like, I thought she sold the brand and now it's KVD Vegan Beauty or something, but that doesn't say this here. So I don't actually know if this is still tied to Kat Von D. If so, I don't know if I want them. But if they're not, and if it's just Kat Von D Vegan Beauty, then fine. Anyways, I got some of the blushes here. I got two blushes. They are the Everlasting blushes. I love blush so much, as you know. This one right here is in the shade Foxglove. The packaging is super cute. Here's what this one looks like. It's a little bit pinky, a little bit brown, a little kind of like mauve-y situation, so that one's really cool. And then this one right here is my favorite one. I'm so excited for this one. It is called Poppy, and it's like a bright, fiery, like orange red color. I don't know, I love colors like this, especially in the summertime, because it can make you look a little bit sunburnt. And I don't know, I kind of like that look sometimes. So here's this one, really pretty. So here is Foxglove. This one is actually not sheer, but it's not super pigmented, probably because it's quite a light shade. And this one is that poppy shade, you know what I mean? Like that sunburnt, I don't know, I like it. I think it looks really cool. So there's both of the shades. And the last thing that I got that's not drugstore is this Too Faced Killer Liner. It is a black one, and I just wanted to try this new black liner. I believe this is new to Too Faced, and it just looks like this. It is a sharpening little pencil, and it's just a black pencil liner. Oh wow, yeah, it's super creamy. It's very black, super duper creamy. On the website it had crazy good reviews, so I just thought, hey, I'll try it. I actually need a new pencil liner, so I can give it a shot. So I got that. Next up here is actually a free gift that I got from NYX because I purchased, oh wait, I forgot something. So as I was saying, this is a free gift that I got from NYX because I purchased a few items from them, so they gave me a free gift. I can't get this open because
I don't know why they tape stuff.
Okay, this is the NYX Fill and Fluff Professional. So this, I believe, oh, it's clear. So it's not even a color. Is it like a liquid brow gel? Use the clear waxy pomade for building and shaping. Oh, okay, so it is clear. So it's meant to be kind of, okay, so I think you're supposed to put on like your brows or whatever, and then you can use this to like make them fluffier or something. I don't know, I've never tried this before. I'm excited to try it and I'll see what I think, but this was a free gift from NYX. Speaking of NYX, also, I got a couple of these shades. I actually got a pink one as well. It actually reminds me of the pink on this bag right here. These are the NYX Shine Loud Shake Things Up gloss and lip color. These are going viral on TikTok. Every single color except for purple and like hot pink was sold out on Ulta when I ordered this stuff. As of now, I did place another order and I was able to get like a brown color. That one came back in stock, but none of the other ones have yet. So as soon as they do come back in stock, you best believe I will be trying them, because I actually tried the pink one. I gave it to my mom because she loves that color pink, but I tried it the other day and holy crap, it is great. It is so hydrating, it's so moisturizing, it does not move. So basically this one's purple. So basically on this end right here, oh, it broke. Oh no. Well, it's not broken, it's just, look at that. Oh no, I think it was just in there. It was like in the tube a really weird way, and it kind of deformed, but I'm sure it's fine. Here's the lip color, and then you put that on, wait for it to dry for a minute, I think, and then here is the gloss brush. It has a gloss on this side that's supposed to like seal everything in, and then the gloss does transfer, but the lip color underneath is supposed to not. And I can actually tell you guys that when I tried it, I put it on and I had it on for literally like 8 hours, and it did not move. I ate, I drank, I talked, I did everything, and it did not move. I was shocked. So I gave the other one to my mom. I'm gonna try this one because I like purple lipstick, and then I'm gonna wait for the brown one to come in, and I'm super excited. What else we got here? Okay, I got oh wait, I'm actually gonna stay on the line with NYX really quick because I got one more thing from them. This is the Bright Maker Primer Base. I had really good reviews on the website, so I wanted to give it a shot and try it out. I think it's just a primer. I hope it's not a matte primer. I didn't see that on the website. It's like a tiny bit orange. Do you see that? Maybe it kind of dries clear. It probably does. Yeah, I think it dries clear. Never mind, it's fine. But I got this to try out because I am going to be doing a full face of first impressions with all this makeup here. Probably in my next video. And I wanted to try this out because I like trying primers and I wanted to give it a shot and see what I think. Next up, I have this from Colourpop. I wanted to finally try this Sandstone palette. I've seen this for a while and I remember when it came out, but I never ordered it. I never got it. I don't know why. I just didn't. But I saw that they had it at Ulta, and I really wanted to try it out. It's one of their longer palettes, but I don't think they've ever come out with one besides this one that has square pans, and it looks really, really pretty. It's very neutral. It's very, you know, warm toned, but it looks great. It looks really, really pretty, and I can't wait to try this out. This shade down here is called Big Butt. It looks great, so I picked this up from Colourpop. I guess Colourpop is considered drugstore. I think that's how they market themselves. I mean, it's not 100% drugstore, but it's definitely a lot cheaper than like your high-end to middle-end, so I think it counts as drugstore. One more thing from Colourpop here. I have got two of the cream gel liners. This is in the Going Cocoa Duo. I got two shades right here. This one is a dark brown right there, and I love how it's a twisty. Those are my favorite. And then this one is like a super light nude color, which would be really, really great for your waterline, because I found that white on my waterline tends to make it look a bit too harsh. So if I am going to be doing a super light waterline color, then I will usually opt for a kind of nude color because it's not so harsh like stark white on your waterline, but it gives you just a little bit of warmth and it does still open your eyes up a lot. So I've got two shades here, and then I will also go ahead and swatch these for you as well. Well, this one's broken. Oh my god, stop it! Yeah, this one's broken. Every time, look. Oh, it just flew out. Yeah, it's totally broken. Love that for me. I may have to return this one and get one that's not broken. So here are the two shades. This one is the dark brown, and the one over here you can barely see it, that's the nude color. And then I got a one-off thing from L'Oreal Paris. This is just a really, really pretty lipstick. I thought that it was. I actually thought that it was more nude on the website when I bought it, but it's actually a really pretty. It's kind of like a brick color. Yeah, really pretty brick red color with like a little bit of brown mixed in there as well. So I got this because I thought it was really pretty and I wanted to try it out. I never try anything from L'Oreal and I've heard really good things about them. I feel like they have come out with a lot of new products pretty recently that are good. So I wanted to try this out and see what I thought with this new little lipstick because it is a pretty color. And then the next three things that I got are from E.l.f. I have been wanting to try this for so long. So the first thing I got is the Lash'd Loud Volumizing Mascara, and I've been wanting to try this. Well, I found something else that I wanted to try more, but then I saw this and saw that it was new, and I was like, ooh, let me try that also. So I want to try this out as well and see what I think because it looks great. It had really good reviews on the website, so I was like, yeah. And I love trying new mascaras. It's one of my favorite things to try because I'm always looking for my new favorite mascara. That's how I found my current favorite, the Marc Jacobs at Lash'd mascara. And I just love trying new ones to see what they have to offer. So I got that. And then you guys, these I wanted to try so bad. I got 2 shades of the E.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I'm so freaking excited about these. I cannot wait to try them. I got Fair 150C because I'm technically cool toned. If you look at my veins, they're blue, so I'm definitely cool toned in my skin. Either brands don't make a lot of cool toned, like actual cool tone foundation, so I'll end up using like a neutral or like a light warm color and it works just fine. The one that I have on right now is from Thrive Causemetics and it's not considered cool toned. It looks fine, but I wanted to try this one because this one actually does say cool toned, so I want to try that. And then I got light 240W, and this one is warm. So this is for golden undertones. This may be a little bit too yellow for me. This one actually does look quite like my skin color, so I might try this one first. But I did get 2 of these and I'm so freaking excited because I've heard a lot of good things just in general, and it had great reviews on the website too. So I'm excited. And you guys, that has been my Ulta haul. That's been my drugstore Ulta haul, and I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you have tried anything that I hauled today, or if you want to try it, please let me know in the comments below because I would love to know that. But I really hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I posted when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.